In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove birthdays from your Outlook calendar if you find your calendar getting cluttered with birthday reminders, causing distractions, or simply becoming unmanageable. Worry not, we have a simple solution for you. Whether you're using Outlook on the web or managing individual birthday events, you can follow these easy steps to remove them, helping to keep your calendar organized and streamlined. Let's begin by tackling this task on Outlook for the web. First, head over to your calendar. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add Calendar. This can usually be found in a menu or toolbar, depending on your layout and settings. Once you found that, click it and you should see an option for birthdays. This section likely contains all those extra reminders you're looking to remove. Simply locate the switch near the text that reads Turn on the birthday calendar and toggle it to Off. This action will effectively remove the entire birthday calendar from your view, decluttering your schedule in one swift move. Now let's say you want to specifically remove individual birthday events while keeping the calendar intact. Fear not, there's a straightforward way to do this too. Begin by opening the birthday calendar. This might involve selecting the calendar named Birthdays in the folder pane of your calendar view. With the Birthdays calendar opened, you'll be able to see each specific birthday event. The next step involves a bit of hunting. Find the particular birthday you wish to delete and click on it to expose further options. Once you have the birthday event open, simply click the delete button. This action will remove the event from your calendar, giving you the option to clean up your view one event at a time without losing related contact information. If you wish to take an alternative approach, perhaps to prevent the birthday from reappearing in the future through contact syncing, consider editing the contact directly. Open the birthday event and click Edit. You'll be guided to the contact's details. Here you can remove the birthday information altogether, ensuring it doesn't automatically sync to your calendar in the future. By following these simple steps, you can regain control over your Outlook calendar and decide exactly which birthdays to remember or omit. But thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful in organizing your digital life a little better.